Hello all. In this video we'll be installing Ruby on a system. So let me launch my terminal. So just press Ctrl Alt T all at the same time. You'll be presented with the terminal. So over here, like, okay, let's check whether we already have Ruby in Ubuntu. So we seem to have Ruby 2.3.3 over here, and what's my system? Okay, I don't know exactly what version of Ubuntu I'm using. I think I'm using 17.10. So anyway, there is Ruby. You can continue with this Ruby, or you can install Ruby using this wonderful tool called Ruby Version Manager. That is like, with Ruby Version Manager, you can manage a lot of Ruby versions. You can have Ruby 2.5 or Ruby 2.0 or whatever it is. Like, each project might have different version of Ruby. So I highly recommend this one. So what we'll be doing is we'll be uninstalling Ruby on our system, and we'll be installing Ruby using this Ruby Version Manager. So let me just remove Ruby from my system. Sudo apt remove Ruby. So this should remove Ruby. If it takes a lot of time, I'll be doing some camera tricks so that you'll see video jumping from one time to another. So don't be afraid of it. So I'll be cutting the unwanted parts. So I just need to give my password. Okay, so 20 MB of my disk space will be free. Yeah, anyway, I don't need my system Ruby, so I'll just take it off. Okay, having removed my system Ruby, now let me install Ruby from RVM. So all I just need to do is to first give this command, like gpg. This actually gets some keys, and I don't know what it does, but it improves security or something like that, so that you will know that you are getting the right RVM, and no hacker is coming between this RVM server and between your computer and doing something malicious or something. Okay, next, just give this command. Just don't think too much what it is. And so if you don't have curl, you might need to install curl. So just check Google about it. And so I'm just giving this entire command over here that's been listed over here, and I'm just giving Ruby so that the stable version of Ruby gets installed. So let's see what happens. If this is taking time, I'll be doing some camera tricks so that it all appears like, okay, things have gone within split second for you or something like that, right? So okay, looks like Ruby's been installed, so we'll just check our Ruby version. Okay, right, okay, it says no such file or directory, so I'll just do another trick. I'll just close my terminal. I'll just launch it once again, Ctrl Alt T. Right, now let me check my Ruby version. Right, okay, so this is thing that will just happen even after you install Ruby via RVM. You won't be able to see Ruby, so we'll just put RVM-v, right? Okay, So there is a file called bash rc. So to edit that, just put this command gedit, and what to say, this means home directory in Linux, and then you just put this bash rc and you will just get it. And over here I think you need to okay, if you just go to my download folders, right, in my book I would have mentioned how to solve this. So installing Ruby, and yeah, so you need to give this command, and just don't worry what it is and all those stuff. And right, so let me just okay, and then you just need to give this source bash rc. So okay, it just says this, okay, this load command not found. Okay, I just know how to fix this. Okay, just go over here, right, so just delete this. Okay, here's actually a comment, so since we copied it from PDF and we gave it, it didn't go well inside, right? So so this is the thing, and okay, let me just save it. Right, okay, and source bash rc, okay, ruby -v, yeah, we got Ruby. Okay, so we installed Ruby via RVM and it's working, but you know what, the latest Ruby version is 2.5 and I want to install that, and so we'll just Ruby lang. Okay, so I just want to get the latest version, and the current stable version is 251, right? So I just want that version. Why should I settle with 241? Okay, so let me use my RVM to install it, right? So RVM install 251, right? Okay, I don't want 241, come on, this tutorial should be the latest and I just want the latest thing, and so let me just go ahead and do it. So it's going to take some time, and okay, I think it needs my password. Okay, I just gave my password. Yeah, looks so it's working. Okay, right, if it takes time, yeah, I'm going to skip it, and what to say, it'll look like magic to you, as though it got installed just like that. Okay, RVM is installed Ruby 251. So anyway, let me just put Ruby -v. It's okay, 251. Okay, that's good. Let me just remove this Ruby 241. So Ruby remove 241, right? Okay, sorry, it should be RVM remove 241, right? Okay, that's quick. So now using system Ruby. No, Ruby -v. Okay, RVM use. Okay, I'll put default use 251, right? Yeah. So with RVM you can just use a lot of Ruby versions, and anyway, like what we did till now is install RVM, install Ruby 241. We didn't like 241, we removed it, and we installed 251, right? And we are using 251. So look how easy it is to install multiple versions of Ruby, and I've also set the default versions of Ruby. But if you don't understand these things too much, don't worry about it. Okay, so just do what I did, and just consult my book. You should be good with it. Okay, so that's the thing. And so we have installed Ruby, and let me just close the terminal and relaunch it. Just let me put Control Alt T, and let me just pin it over here. So yeah, add to favorites, yeah, so that it'll be there, right? So now let me check my Ruby version, and yeah, it's 251. So we have installed Ruby. So that's the end of this video. From next video on, we'll start programming in Ruby. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.